Welcome to our roundup of the best camping accessories. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a family camping trip, or a serious outdoor adventure, having the right gear can completely change your experience. From making cooking easier to ensuring comfort and safety at night, we've selected some of the most practical and reliable camping accessories that every camper should consider. We'll walk you through what makes each product special, how it performs in real outdoor situations, and who it's best suited for. Stick around until the end because the #1 pick can seriously upgrade your camping setup. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the perfect camping accessories for your next trip. The first on the list is the Ivivu Rolling Grill Basket. This is one of those camping accessories that instantly makes outdoor cooking more fun and far less stressful. Designed for grilling enthusiasts, this rolling grill basket allows you to cook vegetables, seafood, and smaller food items without worrying about them falling through the grates. Rolling cylindrical design, food-grade stainless steel construction, and lockable lid with smooth rotation are the standout features that make this grill basket a favorite among campers and backyard grillers alike. The rolling design is what truly sets this product apart. Instead of flipping individual pieces of food one by one, you simply roll the basket back and forth, ensuring even cooking on all sides. This not only saves time, but also prevents overcooking or burning. The stainless steel build is sturdy, rust-resistant, and safe for high-heat grilling, which means it can handle repeated use over many camping trips. Whether you're cooking sliced vegetables, shrimp, or diced meat, the basket keeps everything contained and evenly exposed to heat. Another major advantage is convenience. The lockable lid ensures your food stays inside while rolling, and the smooth edges make it safe and easy to handle with grilling gloves. Cleaning is also simple, as the basket can be washed by hand or placed in a dishwasher once you're back home. For campers who enjoy cooking over an open flame or portable grill, this rolling grill basket adds versatility and ease to outdoor meals. Overall, it's a simple yet clever accessory that makes campfire cooking cleaner, faster, and more enjoyable. Next up is the Earthpac Waterproof Backpack. If you've ever worried about your gear getting soaked during a camping trip, this backpack is designed specifically to solve that problem. Built for outdoor adventures, it keeps your essentials dry whether you're hiking in the rain, kayaking, or camping near water. 100% waterproof roll-top closure, durable heavy-duty PVC material, and comfortable padded shoulder straps are the key features that make this backpack a reliable companion for outdoor use. The roll-top design creates a tight seal that blocks out water, dust, and dirt. This makes it ideal for unpredictable weather or water-based activities. The heavy-duty PVC construction is tough enough to handle rough conditions without tearing, yet flexible enough to pack and carry comfortably. Inside, there's plenty of space to store clothes, food, electronics, and camping essentials, keeping everything protected from moisture. Comfort is another strong point. The padded shoulder straps and ergonomic design make it easy to carry for extended periods, even when fully loaded. Some versions also include additional pockets for quick access items, which adds to the convenience. Whether you're heading out on a multi-day camping trip or just need a dependable backpack for outdoor adventures, this waterproof backpack offers peace of mind and durability. Overall, it's a practical and trustworthy choice for campers who want to protect their gear without sacrificing comfort. Next, we have the XTA Auto Collapsible Portable LED Camping Lantern. Lighting is one of the most important aspects of camping, and this lantern is designed to be both powerful and incredibly convenient. Compact, lightweight, and bright, it's perfect for lighting up tents, campsites, or emergency situations. Collapsible space-saving design, 360-degree bright LED illumination, and multiple power options are the standout features that make this lantern a must-have for campers and backyard grillers alike. The collapsible design allows the lantern to shrink down to a compact size when not in use, making it easy to store in a backpack or camping bin. When expanded, it provides bright, even light in all directions, which is ideal for group activities, cooking, or reading at night. The LED bulbs are energy efficient and long-lasting, ensuring reliable performance over multiple trips. Another big plus is versatility. This lantern can often be powered by batteries or recharged via USB depending on the model, making it adaptable to different camping situations. It's also lightweight and includes a handle or hook, allowing it to be hung inside a tent or from a tree branch. In emergency scenarios like power outages or roadside breakdowns, this lantern proves just as useful as it is in the wilderness. Overall, it's a practical, reliable lighting solution that every camper should keep in their gear collection. Next up is the Malomi sleeping bags for adults. A good night's sleep can make or break a camping trip, and this sleeping bag is designed with comfort and versatility in mind. Suitable for different seasons and environments, it's a popular choice among casual campers and outdoor enthusiasts. All-season insulation, lightweight and portable design, and water-resistant outer shell are the key features that help this sleeping bag stand out among others. The insulation provides warmth and cooler temperatures while remaining breathable enough for milder nights. This makes it suitable for spring, summer, and fall camping trips. The water-resistant outer shell helps protect against moisture, dew, and light rain, keeping you dry and comfortable throughout the night. Inside, the soft lining adds to overall comfort, making it feel cozy even after long days of hiking or exploring. Overall, it's a well-balanced option for campers who want quality sleep without bulky gear. The last one on our list is the Gas1 GS3400P propane or butane stove. This is a game changer for outdoor cooking, especially for campers who want a reliable and easy-to-use stove. Designed for convenience and safety, it works with both propane and butane, giving you flexibility no matter where you're camping. Dual fuel compatibility, built-in safety shutoff system, and compact portable design are the standout features that make this stove our top pick. The dual fuel capability is a huge advantage, allowing you to use both propane or butane depending on availability. This flexibility is especially useful for longer trips or remote locations. The stove heats up quickly and provides consistent flame control, making it suitable for boiling water, cooking meals, or preparing coffee in the morning. The built-in safety shutoff system adds peace of mind by automatically stopping gas flow if pressure becomes unsafe. Portability is another highlight. The stove is compact, lightweight, and often comes with a carrying case, making it easy to transport and store. Setup is simple and requires minimal effort, which is perfect after a long day outdoors. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or preparing emergency meals, this stove delivers dependable performance. Overall, it's a powerful, safe, and versatile cooking solution that deserves a spot in every camper's gear lineup. So that wraps up our roundup of the best camping accessories. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, whether it's easier cooking, better organization, reliable lighting, improved sleep, or dependable meal preparation. If this video helped you plan your next camping trip, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful outdoor gear guides like this one. All product links are available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy the outdoors and camp smarter.